Well, WaterSense is working on a specification for high efficiency commercial toilets. So we have been working with industry for the last year or so on what criteria we're going to set, and we're doing some research on some other performance factors that we'd like to consider, and we'll be hopefully presenting a draft specification on that in the next 4 to 6 months, I guess. So, well, we like to call them high efficiency toilets. I guess the biggest issues with respect to commercial toilets are drain line carry, how far the waste carries down the drain, and what other kinds of material people put in a commercial toilet, whether it needs more, a higher duty factor than a residential toilet. So those are the issues that we're looking at in terms of our specification. Well, I think people usually put things in there. I think in a commercial setting, there's just a wider variety of things that people might flush, either on purpose or accidentally. And what we're trying to look at are what are the things that people are supposed to be flushing, and to make sure that those things flush. There's a lot of things people put in toilets that aren't really supposed to go in there, and we're not really looking at how people use products inappropriately and testing for that. We're looking to make sure that they do what they're intended to do in a most efficient way. EPA put in some high efficiency toilets in our new Potomac Yards building, and they're dual flush, and I think initially we don't think we saw the savings that we expected, because the way the handles work, the main flush is down. And with a dual flush toilet in a commercial setting, most of the savings come from a women's bathroom. And women tend to use their foot when they flush, and you can't flush down with your foot. So we reversed the handles, and so the downward flush is now the half flush, and I think we got the savings that we expected.